Hey guys! Welcome to Health Maximum, quick review of javaburn in under 60 seconds. First, important warning. Only buy javaburn from the official website. If you see it anywhere else, it could be fake. So what is javaburn? It's a powder you mix with your morning coffee that helps boost metabolism and support weight loss. The best part? It's tasteless, super easy to use, and made with natural ingredients, no jitters. Many users report more energy and fat loss, but remember, results vary. You need to stay consistent. And yes, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free to try. Final verdict. Simple, convenient, and worth trying if you want to upgrade your coffee for weight loss. Check the link in description. Subscribe to Health Maximum for more quick health reviews.